my name is Delia and welcome to the Temple University YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm taking you along with me through the process of creating an episode of Artists Among Us. Artists Among Us is a student-run show on TUTV, and if you didn't know, TUTV is Temple University's TV station, and each episode of Artists Among Us highlights a specific type of art. And for this episode specifically, we focused on dance. So this video kind of takes you through every single step of the process, from the pre-production and the planning to the actual filming, and then also into the editing as well. So if you were ever wondering what it's like to put a TUTV show together from start to finish, this video will show you how that process goes. Pre-production is essentially the time period where we just plan for the episode, plan filming dates, and get everything organized. So it starts off with meetings, communications directors, social media, getting everything in order, and then bringing that to the whole team as well. And here's a little behind the scenes of filming social media content.
My jacket's from ASOS. This is from Buffalo Exchange. These are from Urban Exchange, and these are Doc Martens.
During this time, the producers, me, Mel, and Sincere get together a lot on FaceTime. And after a couple of meetings of planning out what kind of segments we're going to do, who we're going to interview, we send out a bunch of emails to get in contact with people and start setting up interviews and filming dates. And once that's organized, we again bring that to the team at our weekly meeting. Now this leads us into production, which is the actual filming of the episode, and we started off by actually filming an episode of our podcast.
Copying 47 items to episode 3, about 40 gigabytes.
So this was actually our second filming date for the actual episode. I missed the first one because I had class, but here we were filming a ballet dance.
Hi everyone, it's Rachel. We are currently setting up for our second shoot. So last week, or honestly just a few days ago, we filmed a hip hop segment with Mia LePage, of course, and now we're setting up in Pearson for a ballet segment, and we are super excited.
Our filming setup usually consists of 3 lights and 3 cameras. And when you're watching the episode, you'll see that the dance is only done once, but it was actually ran about 5 or 6 times so that we could get static shots, which are still, and dynamic shots, which move. And we just wanted to make sure that we got as many different angles as we possibly could. You can never have enough footage. Moving forward, we filmed our history segments, which we filmed in the room that we actually have our weekly meeting, and it took some time to transform the space, but it ended up looking really nice. Our next shoot was the interview with ballet dancer Allie. We filmed this in the Student Center. The very next day, we actually filmed the Esencia Latina practice, and we were going to do an interview, but it did get rescheduled. On our final day of filming, we filmed in Mitten Hall. Here we recorded the modern dance, as well as the modern interview with Michaela, and the Esencia Latina interview with Melody.
Yay! That's a wrap! Yay!
Hello, my name's Naya, and I'm one of the hosts, and I would say my favorite part of filming was just sitting behind on set and watching all of the dancers perform.
My favorite part of filming this episode was all the different styles of dance. I'm the photographer, so being able to photograph all that is super cool.
Hi, I'm Nadia. My favorite part of filming is being with these cool group of people that I get to meet for the first time, and also doing audio for the first time and learning and having Gavin help me learn the ropes of audio.
My name is Rachel Circa, and my favorite part about filming this episode was meeting all of these really cool artists and seeing all of their really cool work.
My name is Raima Abdallah, and my favorite part about Artists Among Us is obviously doing the social media. That's what I do because I get to capture all of the behind the scenes footage and what's not so professional but really fun about the group.
And finally, this brings us to post-production, which is the editing. So I'm actually at home on spring break while I'm editing some of this episode. The editing process takes hours and hours to transform footage into a cohesive segment and episode. Here's a look at some of the timelines for the segments. This was for Esencia Latina. This was for the credits. This was for the history segments. And this is what the full episode timeline ended up looking like as well. I even got to do a little bit of editing outside on Bury when it was nice out for one day. And here we are with all of our hard drives just transferring segments so that we can put it all together into the final episode. With Mel and Sincere again, we put the full episode together. There are so many different TUTV shows that cover all kinds of topics, all different genres. If you're interested in getting involved in any TUTV shows, my suggestion is to go find them on social media and reach out and get involved because it is a lot of fun, even if you're not in Klein or film. I hope you guys enjoyed watching that process. If you want to see the full episode, you can go onto the TUTV website and check it out, and follow Artists Among Us on Instagram too. So yeah, that's all I have today. Thanks for watching.